Are you there in the call? Al-Shifa is there. What was your
Yes,
problem?
ma'am.
Yes, why did you remove me, Al-Shifa?
Sorry, ma'am, I have not seen.
And you need to touch the screen all the time, it's very important. When I'm saying something, you can't just sit and listen. It's important to keep touching the screen of the mobile or of the laptop, isn't it? Yes or no? Very bad.
Sorry,
You know,
ma'am.
you cause a lot of disturbance. First thing, and second thing is there is a lot of inconvenience because of this. You need know these videos are uploaded for others who are in problem, who cannot attend the class. It may be that you are in problem if you don't attend the class, and if you have to see the video and if it is in 5 pieces, are you going to get a clear understanding from the video that you'll see? No. Very bad. How many times I've told you, do not touch the screen, just sit and listen. If there's any problem, you can simply type a message or you can interrupt. Just put your mic on and say that, ma'am, this is the problem, please explain again. Why do you keep touching? Why do you always have to touch the mobile or the screen of the laptop? Very bad. Yes. So I was telling you that in sometimes it may happen that there is some infection. Yes. Or there is some injury. चोट लग जाती है अगर we don't understand, we don't know. Sometimes children not unknowingly also we get hurt. The internal organs they get hurt. Though our body system is very good, the cells, as I've already told you, that there is a self defense mechanism also. Yes, but still, if the infection or if the injury is such that it is not self, it cannot be healed self, then we have to see and we have to take care. And more importantly, if we are unable to take care, then there is a big problem which a person suffers. It's very, very problematic. You will not believe it can also lead to the death of a person. It's so problematic. Yes, so that is why all the organs, not only the excretory organs, all the organs of your body, they are equally important. There are some without which at least you can survive, but there are some without which or without the proper functioning of there, you cannot survive. So we need to take care of our organs. So children, sometimes when the kidneys stop working or they do not function properly, then there is a lot of problem faced by the human beings, and in that case we are dependent on artificial function filtration of the blood. As our kidneys they fail to work, like I have told you when I was talking about heart, I told you that if the heart is not functioning, if heart doesn't function, what does it mean? If your heart
I'm dead.
stops, we are dead. Yes, if our heart stops working, if it is not functioning, we are dead. The same way, if some of the organs, like if the kidney stops working, if the functions stop, then it has to be done artificially, and that too, it can be done to a limit. It cannot be on regular basis. If it is prolonged, then of course the person can die. So let's talk about it. Sometimes a person's kidney may stop working due to an infection or an injury. It results in kidney failure. Yes, waste products start accumulating in the blood. As I have told you when I was talking about introduction, that these waste products they are so harmful, children. They keep lying in our blood. They keep accumulating in our blood, and the same way through the blood they keep circulating throughout our body, throughout our organs, and this is hazardous. This is very problematic for us. So the if it is purification is not done, the impure blood, the bad blood with all the waste material is going to flow throughout the body. So such a person cannot survive unless his or her blood is filtered periodically through an artificial kidney. So here in the diagram that you see is a human made machine, and you can call it artificial kidney. That means your kidneys are not working, so the doctors, the scientists, they have constructed artificial kidney which is going to help for the purification or the cleanliness of your work. But again, then you have to go regularly. That this is very problematic. Every Time to time, whenever doctor calls you, you have to go for the purification because your own kidneys are not working. So in order to clean the blood of metabolic waste, an artificial kidney is used and the entire procedure is called dialysis. So this whole, you must have heard, sorry, you must have heard about this also. Dialysis machine is there and people are kept on dialysis machine and then the purification or the filtration of the blood is done. So do you think that this is very good? This is something very good?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not good. And that is why we have to eat healthy food and we have to take care of ourselves. Okay, so this is about the purification or the dialysis children. And then we talk about the excretion in the plants, which is the last topic of our chapter and last topic of today's class also. See, children, uh, have you ever seen plants going to the washroom, visiting to the washroom?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
They do not go to the toilets, they do not go to the washrooms. But since we know that plants are also living organisms, plants also have the waste material in their bodies, and this waste material also needs to be expelled out from the body time to time. Now, children, in case of plants, this does not happen that they do not go to the washroom and toilets, but what they do is they have different excretory products and different ways they give out this waste. One of the ways is that the excretory products, it starts accumulating in the, have you ever seen yellow leaves in the plant? The leaf starts getting pale, then it's, yes, then
Yes,
it's,
ma'am.
yes, it changes its color, then it turns into yellow color, and from yellow it turns into brown color, and ultimately this leaf, it detaches itself from the plant. Yes, and then it moves away. So some of the plant parts, they act as the organ. They start collecting all the excretory product instead of the accumulation of the waste product in all the plant parts. One of the leaf, it starts accumulating all the waste product and then it detaches itself. Who is this continuously sending messages? Don't do that. Yes, so it detaches itself from the plant, from the branch, and it moves away. So this is how all the excretory products are gone. They are expelled out from the plant body. Then similarly, there are some other ways. Let's talk about them. The first one is there are various means of employed by them to take care of the body waste. Here is a list of few such means. Stomatal expel gases and waste water products. Now, water vapor, you know this already. That stomata, these are small opening present on the surface of the leaf and they help in the gaseous exchange. Yes, the gas they do not need, they expel it out, and moreover, the extra water also is given out through which process? Extra water is removed through which process?
Transpiration.
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 Yes, then you have roots throw out some of the waste into the soil. This is the other way. Third is old leaves and barks. Now barks, you understand, छाल जो पेड़ की छाल होती है. Yes, the you can see the bark on the bark and it starts accumulating and slowly and gradually you'll see that the bark automatically falls down. So this, that is what I explained you, that some of the leaves and the bark of the tree and the stem you can see, like you can see very clearly in case of this thing mango. Yes, so they fall down and along with that the excretory product is also removed out. Some waste remain accumulated in the wood. They are usually in the form of oils and raisins. So in the form of oil and resin also. Again in mango tree you must have seen some sticky liquid. Yes, if you touch it you just feel that it is very very sticky like gum. So in these manner also, in the form of oils, in the form of raisins also, these are given out of the plant body. So there are 4 points and these 4 points you need to know well in what ways the excretory products are given out of the plant body or how the excretion takes place in plant body. They do not have proper system, excretory system, but there are some body parts that help in the expelling out the waste from the body. So this is how, children, we have come to the end of today's topic, today's chapter also, yes, and today's class also. Now you are going to sit properly, you are going to revise. I have also posted a message on WhatsApp that you have to read the text properly in order to find out the answers of the questions which will be given in your test. And I hope all of you are reading. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So better start reading, start learning. In case you find any problem in any line or any word, any term, you can post your message on WhatsApp. Okay, students. So this is how we have come to the end of today's class. Take care of yourselves. Till we meet again. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.